अंतर्नादम ग्रंथे लिखित्वम न च सर्वसिद्धम.
Things written in the books are not the proven things. Granthe likhitvam, things written in the books, things written in the scriptures, things written in the religious scripts, things written in the old mythological scripts, they are all the things written in the books, that is Granthe. Na cha sarva siddham. All those things are not proven. Proven is something which is proved beyond doubt. That means something which we know that it exists and which can be checked objectively. The truth, the validity of those statements can be checked objectively, and everything that is written in the book cannot be tested objectively. We should better understand that.
असिद्धवार्ता न च ब्रह्मवाक्यम.
Brahmavakyam. Brahmavakyam means the words, a statement of God, the statement of prophet, the statement of ultimate reality. That means the statement that is telling us the ultimate truth. And here we are told, asiddha varta na cha brahmavakyam. Asiddha means something that is not proved. Now tell me, if something is not proved, something cannot be proved, something cannot be showed to be true beyond doubt, can we take such a statement as a statement of God, a statement of ultimate reality? Certainly not. At least the logical minds, the minds which can think, the minds which can understand, can never do that. And still people keep on doing it, and that is the irony of the situation. When people tell us something, anybody, somebody from our family, somebody from our friends, if they tell us something and ask us to believe that that thing is to be true, we ask all these people to show, prove that what they are saying is right. That means without proof, we do not accept the words of people whom we know. We don't take such words to be true. But then, how can we take the things written in the books to be ultimate reality just because those things appear in the books, and those books are written by some of the ancestors, some of the forefathers who were living many years back? Can we take that to be true just because of that? Or should we check the truth behind it before we accept those things to be true? Before we understand, before we interpret, before we try to know why those people wrote it? Can we just like that accept it to be true? And I don't think there is any wisdom in it. Agreed. We all the globe, we all have many old mythological, religious scriptures which we keep, we use, we follow as the treasure of our ancestors. Perfectly alright. But ideally, there is no sense in taking it to be the ultimate truth. We can analyze, we cannot try to understand why those people might have written those things at that time. Yes, that inquisitiveness is acceptable. But taking it to be the ultimate truth and blindly following it as a rule given to the humanity without asking any question, oh my God, that is not the thing. These are the attitudes which create bondage, which create sorrow. Please understand that, and that is why, remember, the things that are not proved cannot be the ultimate reality. Remember it.